Oh my god, bruh. It's even worse than it.
Poor thing.
Shooting out. I'm like,
I know.
I cannot do anything about it.
So for
I
yeah, I was like, you know, getting from work. I was like at work, but I'm trying not to freak out because it's like, okay, we're in Lowe's. Where are we here? Uh-oh. So we are here in Lowe's to get that humidifier, dehumidifier, and a big fan for the basement. Oh, Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh. Smells like cheap. Oh, so cute. Yeah, so they have this. Well, I think I saw one time, but not sure. Bumaha sa basement, and we're concerned about mold. Sure. We're concerned about the mold. That's why we are going to, you know, buy the humidifier and a big fan. Kung hindi, edi papalitan yung flooring and everything. So, oh my goodness. So that's how much is it? $259? Is that really is? Okay.
For 12 hours, turn it off.
Oh, oh my goodness. Okay. No, ang daming Christmas. Christmas na. $26. Okay. Ito yung fan. Oh, ito pa. Nice. Oh. Sorry. Yan. So, and then fan. Oh, ito pa, oh. Oh. Blow mold. Oh. $39. It's cute. Walang electric fan. They're all like heating.
Wrapping it and putting it into top. Yeah, there's an air circulator thing. Are you talking like the big construction style one?
Yeah, well, like you know, like the one that's on the ground. That's.
I mean, there's boxes that are like 20.
Nandoon na daw yung mga electric fan. Ayun na. Kasi seasonal na dahil winter. So wala na siyang heater na daw. So pag after it get cold a little bit, or cooler, they put it over there. Doon. So kukuhanin daw niya para mabili namin. Buti na lang. Some people would say, oh, we cannot, you know, sell you because it's already, you know, it's already wrapped up and we cannot, you know. But good thing he still said yes. So we just got lucky right now. Okay. Ayun o, na. Ito yung mga Christmas tree. Ayan o. Ganda, diba? Ayan.
5126.
Let me see, where is it? Uh-oh. I think it's probably in the bottom or something. Okay. We bought that one for, how much is it? $300 for both. Yeah. Maybe I can do the other one. I think it's very tiny. Stairs. Yeah, let's see. Let's go. Na natin yung sa baba. So that pipe is in the to call that bathroom. So it's still dripping, but they already closed it, right?
Yeah.
So dito nahulog yung sa roof. Buti na lang yung roof namin is hindi siya yung temporary, parang natatanggal. Kasi kung yung temporary, hindi siya permanent. Kasi if it's permanent, it's much a bigger disaster, right?
Yeah.
So I think that's much better. Yeah. Let's see. So yan siya. Ayan oh. Tumutulo pa siya. So sabi nila baka daw gumapang yung tubig doon and then nagmold na. So they said it might have molds on it. That's why. See, it's still dripping.
Yeah.
That's why they wanna fix everything. But the cost is $60,000 for all of it if you're gonna rip it off. Ito yung water shut off niya. Yan. So plastic. So ang nangyari dyan is nasira siya. Nag-burst siya. As in tawag doon? Umapaw. Tawag doon. Yan. So, plastic lang siya. Tingnan nyo yung gawa. Plastic lang. Lumang bahay na kasi to eh. Ayan o. Hindi naman siya lumang-luma. But, ayan. So, ito daw dapat. Sa ibang state, this one is copper. But dito kasi, plastic lang. Hindi siya required by law na gawing copper. So, ito, nagbukas siya o nag-burst open. So, ang nangyari kasi guys, nasa work ako noon. Sa work kasi ako noon, tapos kinuwento lang ng asawa ko yung nangyari, kaya yun. Tapos, iyon, kailangan namin tanggalin kasi basa, baka mag-moist, you know, and ayan. Yung mga ni mama. Yung mga appliances niya. Sorry, ma. It happened when you're gone because you left us. That's what happened. Oh, good thing this is still on a good in a styrofoam. I don't have to ito wala. At nasa styrofoam pa rin. Buti na lang ma, maganda yung pagkakaano nyo. Ito din siguro. So hindi masyadong basa. Tatanggalin na lang natin tong this one. Doesn't go off.
Like something to jack it up a little.
Boxes? There's a lot of boxes in there. Ito din guys, ayan. So, nung nag-burst yun, umano dito yung tubig. Gumapang siya. But, the thing is, dahil yung ceiling namin is parang foam siya, so hindi siya totally good thing, totally dito hindi siya nabasa. Puro pa naman mga sapatos ng nanay ko. Puro niya sapatos. Ayan o. Puro sapatos pa naman niya. Buti hindi nabasa. So, ito yung dehumidifier. Yan. So i-open lang yan. It's not working?
Oh no, I just have to do it.
Oh, okay. So, open lang yan. What's that number means?
That's like the current humidity.
Oh, this
Yeah.
on this floor.
Yeah.
Oh, is that bad?
Yeah. It's at 60, so it'll once it gets to 50, then it'll
Shut off? Oh, okay. So that's the normal. Should be 50.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So yan na. So what does it do? Remove the moisture?
Yeah, so
Okay.
it gets the moisture out of there, and then it puts there's like a bucket, and then
Oh.
the water will go into the
Oh,
bucket.
really?
And then once the bucket's full,
Shut off.
yeah.
Oh,
Well,
okay.
yeah, it'll notify you. And you have to
The
Empty
to
the
empty
bucket.
bucket. Okay. So that's how it goes. Dami ko nang lilinisin, hindi ko pa na nga malinis yung taas, lilinisin ko pa to kung kailan wala si mama. Yeah, this one did not, because if you think, if the water crawled here, you would see water here, but there's no.
Well, you know, like it was just over here, like you go here. See, I put this thing here, but it's already, yeah,
Dry.
still wet.
Oh, okay. Guys, yun ang nangyari sa basement. So, ito kasing CR na tong maliit na to eh. Diyan nag-umpisa sa CR na yan. Diyan nag-umpisa ang lahat. Hindi ko alam kung paano nag-umpisa. Luma na, well, hindi naman luma, pero, you know, so tumulo, umano sa baba, pinatay ni Phil, tapos nag-burst yung pipe. So, yun. Hindi naman alam na magbo-burst siya. Okay. Update! So, what is it? Oh, yeah. It got dry a little bit. Yeah. It got dry a little bit, guys. Look. A while ago, it was... Yeah. And it's not dripping. Okay. So, the other one. It's 54. A while ago, it's 60. Do you want to check if there's a water in there or no? Or we might have to turn it off, right? Because you might get electrocuted. Let me just get this one. Okay. Alright. Check natin ngayon kung ano na nangyari doon sa dehumidifier. So, dito, tingnan natin dito. Oh, ayun, ayun. Medyo nag-dry na. Oo nga, you can see it's wet.
Yeah.
Over there, on the other side too. Because it's wrinkly.
Over here?
Yeah, it's wrinkly. That one, just this one. Near to each other. Yeah, but the others is fine. Let's see. Wow. So see, there's a water. Now there's a water
Yeah,
here.
because last time I did it was like halfway.
Halfway?
Yeah.
So what happened to the water?
I took it out.
Oh, you took it out. Oh, kanina pala meron na halfway. Ngayon meron na namang tubig. So there's another water, huh?
Yep.
So maybe tomorrow we'll put it on that side.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
See, now
Wow.
it's down to 52.
And what's the normal?
Well, it'll go to 50 because remember it was at 60?
Yeah.
So
Oh, okay.
it's pulling the moisture out of the air.
Oh, good. And this one we'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Maybe it's pulling the water from there. It's dry.
Is it?
No, it's just dry. Try.
Oh yeah, it's drying.
Meron kasing ano doon, basahan. Basang-basa siya kanina nung nilagay namin yung dehumidifier. Ngayon tuyo na. Kasi nga dahil doon sa ano, sa machine. Nakakatawa. Yun, ganun. So kapag may mga leak or something, yun lang hindi naman leak. Parang kasing parang ano lang namin to yung pantapal, bandage ba? Kasi mahal kasi kapag papagawa yung buong floor is 60,000 and I don't know if the insurance will cover it.